In today's video, I show you how to whip up a quick but flavorful beef mop sauce. Y'all stick around. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get down with this beef mop sauce that we're going to be using in a separate video for some beef dino ribs today. But you could put this on chuck roast or a brisket if you wanted to get out of bounds with your flavors there. But today we're using Smokin' Hot Chicks LLC bacon jalapeno sauce, and their information will be down below in the description box. But if you don't have this, use your favorite sauce. We're using a little bit of light soy sauce, probably about a tablespoon of pure honey to give it that sticky factor, some roasted garlic infused olive oil, that's going to just continue those flavors there. We've got some ground ginger, that's going to go great for a Korean style beef mop sauce. And then we're going to go with some Texas Pete hot sauce to kick it up a notch, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So let's go ahead and get to mixing this stuff up. Alright, first off we're going to start with the apple cider vinegar. This is for 2 racks of ribs, beef ribs that is, the big 4-bone ones. So I'd say we're putting about a little under half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to put about a 1/4 cup of the Texas Pete hot sauce. And that should kind of counteract with that apple cider vinegar, so it'll be a tangy, spicy mixture there. And we're going to go in with some ground ginger, probably about a half a tablespoon. Just like that. If you like ginger, get crazy with it and kick it up a notch. A little bit of our roasted garlic infused olive oil. That ginger's already smelling great. Probably about a half a tablespoon of this too. Next, we're going to put some pure honey in there. And like I said, about a tablespoon. This is going to thicken up our sauce and give us a sweetness. There we go. It's already smelling awesome in here. A little bit of light soy sauce. Probably about a half a tablespoon of that. We don't want it to get too salty. And then we're going to finish it off with probably about a 1/4 cup of this Smokin' Hot Chicks bacon jalapeno sauce. And this is a mustard based sauce. If, like I said, you can't get your hands on this stuff, kind of just play with it and substitute what you do have. So Smokin' Hot Chicks LLC bacon jalapeno sauce. And then we're just going to mix this up. Go ahead and try this out and see what we're working with. Wow, that's really good. I do want to add just a little bit more of this Smokin' Hot Chicks LLC sauce. Here we go. Probably about a tablespoon more. Mix that around. And I think we're good to go. So that is a nice Korean beef mop sauce that you can put on some dino beef ribs like we're doing today. Or you can put it on some brisket or some chuck roast. You name it. Mix it up. These are easy ingredients to find around the house. So experiment with it, guys and girls. Have fun. And until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.